To access your work email from outside the district, mouse over Our District and then click Staff. This first option, Email Access, will take you to Staff Email. If you're on a mobile device and you do not have your staff email installed on that device, you can go to the website, cowan.org, tap on the three bars up at the top right, tap on the arrow next to Our District. Make sure you tap on that arrow. Scroll down, making sure to tap on the arrow next to Staff, and then tap on Staff. Okay, you can tap on Email Access, and that will get you to your staff email on a mobile device.